Everyone, it's me and my cat. It is me and my cat is over here. Say hello. Say hello. Hi, my name is Sophie Azelat. Go and subscribe. Subscribe or I'm going to scratch you. Subscribe. I'm going to scratch you. So do it. My cat is even talking nowadays. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, look at it go. Oh, look at it. Oh, look, it's jumping. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, I love you too. It's my house. I love her. This is my cat. It's so emotional. I love it. It's so fluffy. It is good. It is ugly at the same time. I can't believe you called me ugly. Oh, why did you scratch me? You started it fast, me. You, Jimmy. Oh, he scratched me. So, oh my God, I love you too. Okay, so say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Bro, it's cute. I'm going to edit my thumbnail and go and subscribe. And this cat will tell you to subscribe to do so. Please go and subscribe. Go and click the subscribe button. It is color red and it is written subscribe. Oh, it's biting me. It's biting me. It's biting me. It's my baby. Okay. And one of the comments you said, kiss your cat on the lips. Okay. Do not dare me another one like that one, okay? He is my baby. What? Oh, you want food? Okay. Okay, I'm going to bring you. I love you too. Okay? I love you, baby. Babe, what do you want, babe? Babe? Oh, you want to scratch this, guys? Oh, okay, come. Okay, tell them to subscribe. Oh, I said subscribe. Okay. Subscribe or I'm going to scratch you. Okay, I'm going to edit my thumbnail. Subscribe to this video. Like, okay, I'm going to give her YouTube channel. Subscribe, okay, and like the video. Subscribe if you like more. Bye bye. Peace out. Bro, you're not saying good. You love them, man. You love them, man.